Alright guys, so if you guys have any of the issue regarding a BMW oil leaks, confused with buying on the BMW, and you have a misconception about the oil leaks on these ones, just to let you guys know, we got 3 of the rebuilds right in the shop right now. We did it 2 of the last year. So very first one, 2014, we did it in November. This is here for the 4th oil change right now. 40,000 is already on the car after we did the rebuild. We got this another in 2012 X1. That is also for a complete inspection on the chain. Customer just bought it. They want to re-inspect from Mrik for all the fluids. And the coolant level on this one is low, and it's contaminated with the 2 different colors. Just to let you guys know, if you have any of the car says red coolant, you're not supposed to put the other one. It contaminates, corrode the internals of your radiator, which gonna result you for an engine heat and a blast on the radiator. That's what happened most of the cases when you try to mix it up the coolant colors. You can get everything upfront on the stores, around the dealerships, anywhere. Pick the right color what your car needs, or you can get access from dealerships or another stores. They're gonna guide you exact color on your vehicle. They have a brief catalogs to choose from. We're not saying you buy from us. No, we don't sell coolant. We fix the motors. Whatever people got misguided by other places, or they just do a chat GPT to find out what needed for the car. Most of the time they contaminate more of the fluids, because they always comes with, oh, chat GPT say me this. That doesn't work the way it is. Walk into the store, check the catalog, and put the right fluids in your car. Anyways, so we got the first one right over there, and this is the very first rebuild of August. We are completely done. There are a couple of backup camera wires need to get attached, so customer just want us to complete it up, so they're not going to have any hassles regarding the back. They have the custom Android player on the car. We did a complete messed up rebuild on this N20. Somebody just did it, and this car only lasts for a week. So we did a rebuild again. Customer is paying twice the price just because this car was in an unprofessional hands. Now it's ready to go. If you guys do have any of the BMWs and you have any conclusion misleadings on the car, we're gonna sort it up. Make sure you guys gonna come to the shop and make an appointment. All right guys, so Hyper Blue, we got beautiful STI right here with the complete off-white color rims on this one. This is the cleanest Subaru I ever see in my shop. This customer keep it neat and clean from bumper to bumper. You're not gonna see any of the dirt, even on the tires, on the rims, even on the engine console in the front. So this car originally came with a bunch of codes, and we diagnosed it this one, and the code was regarding the engine valve on the top left side. When we check it out, the solenoids go bad. We replace all 4 solenoids. We don't just go on the one. This engine is 2.5, and this is a timing belt engine, and all the solenoids are changed right now. I drove it like 30 miles on this one. Absolutely no light came on. It's a happy news for the customer. We're going to call the customer to pick it up, and they also mentioned to do the oil change. So oil change on this one is done, ready for the customer to pick it up. If you guys do have any of the STIs and you're looking for a timing belt replacement, or you're looking for a rebuild on the engine, or you have a bunch of codes on the car, no problem. Mrik can take care. We have a well-trained tech for specifically Subarus. Any of your inquiries, give us a call. On to the next car. right, so right beside me, we got this beautiful 2001 VW Golf. That's the MK4. And this is here for a complete internal rebuild on the engine. We mostly call it a rebuild because we're going to completely change the water pump, tensioners, timing belt on this one, couple of other mods on this one. It's already cold interior in the system. So we're going to make this car complete brand new, running for another 150 clicks. These cars are real rare on the road right now. This is a absolutely mint condition with absolutely no rust. So we got this. We're going to make a complete VW timing belt, tensioner, pulleys, water pumps, thermostats. We're going to put everything in this one because the customer, they love the car. They don't want to get rid of this. This is a pretty good car on even the gas. If you guys do have this thing sitting in your garage from long time, don't worry, we'll take care of this one. We'll make it alive. They are pretty cheaper on the road compared to the new cars, even the newer Golf. And these are the notorious ones with a pretty good shape. So if you guys do want any of the timing belt job done on your TDIs or gasoline engines, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. All right, guys, so do you want this switch to install out of your vehicle because you're not driving it much? That's what happened with this, our customer. This is our customer from day one, and we did a bunch of stuff on this one. We did a couple of aftermarket lights on this one, and obviously the customer got a OEM paint done last year. And also we did something in the interior. We did the retro seats on top, and we do the headliner. We also did the tires on this one. We also worked on a couple of work on top of the engines, wall covers, other stuff. So this time the customer, there's an issue with the battery drain on this truck. They don't drive it for weeks. So we ran a couple of tests, like probably for 10, 12 days. And there was a genuinely a little draw on the battery. That's only with the alarm system on this car, as this is I think 88 S10. So they put the aftermarket alarm system because here in the place it's too much of the people try to rob it. 2 times somebody already broken into the truck. You see our last videos, we tried to wrap it up from the top dash in the front. Somebody tried to rip up the stereo on other couple of things. This time it came up here with a battery draw issue. But when we check it out, it's just for the security system running in the system. It takes a battery life probably in 21 days. That's what the thing tells us. So in order to get rid of that battery draw, what we're going to do, we're going to install this custom switch with a key. So you have a keys. Previously, we did a battery terminal outside here. If you can see, the customer just have to pop up like this, negative and positive, to boost it up the car. In order, you don't have to pop up the hood. It's already built in here. It looks so sleek right here. And this switch, we're going to put it right under here. So we're going to install it inside. So whenever the customer is done with the car, they're going to pick it up after a couple of weeks. All they have to do is just turn off the stuff. So this thing, disconnect everything, even the battery from the system. So we're going to install this one. If you want any of the custom switches specifically for a battery drainage issue on any of the vehicles, we have a multiple option. This is a little fancy. We do have the other ones too. Hit us up if you want any of the custom electrical works done on your car. Price may vary, whatever it needs to be done. Any of the similar inquiries, hit us. Thank you.